Hello everyone! Magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys! At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 10 centimos na si Francisco Baltasar or mas kilalang Balagtas noong unang panahon. Mayroon taon na 1978 guys. So share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon nito at ang kanyang history. The 1978 10 centimos coin from the Philippines is part of the Bagong Lipunan or New Society series, which was introduced by then President Ferdinand Marcos during his regime as part of currency reform to reflect the political changes in the country. This particular coin features the face of Francisco Baltasar or Balagtas, a renowned Filipino poet known for his contribution to Filipino literature. Over the design, the coin features an image of Francisco Balagtas, who is known for his effect Florante at Laura, one of the most important works in Filipino literature. His face is depicted in the center. First design, the reverse side features the value of 10 centimos and the year 1978, along with the design that includes a small national emblem. Composition, the coin is made of copper nickel, 75% of copper, 25% of nickel. Weight approximately 2 grams. The Bagong Lipunan series was introduced in 1975 and remained in circulation throughout the late 1970s into the early 1980s. The series was meant to symbolize the new society that Marcos sought to promote through his policies, which were characterized by economic control, martial law, and the consolidation to the political power. The Francisco Balagtas coin was one of the smaller denomination in the series, intended for everyday transaction. And it also reflected Marcos' desire to promote national pride and the achievements of the Filipino history and culture. In terms of its value for collectors, the 1978 10 centimos coin typically holds more numismatic value than its face value due to its historical and cultural significance. Coins from the Bagong Lipunan series, especially those in good condition, can range from a few dollars to higher prices depending on their rarity and demand in the market. The condition of the coins plays a significant role in its value. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition, those that have been kept well preserved, are more valuable compared to those that have been heavily circulated or worn. Collectors often look for those coins in better condition, and rare errors can drive up their price. Current value of the 1970 10 centimos coins is generally worth a small amount in terms of face value, 10 centimos, but in the collector's market, the value can range from approximately 1 to 5 US dollar depending on condition and demand. Coin in pristine condition can be valued higher. The 1978 10 centimos coin is a significant part of the Philippine numismatic history, with cultural importance due to its depiction of Francisco Balagtas. While its face value is low, its collectible and historical value can make it worthwhile for those interested in the Philippine currency and history. Francisco Balagtas de la Cruz from April 2, 1788 up to February 20, 1862, commonly known as Francisco Balagtas and also as Francisco Baltasar, was a Filipino poet and literature of the Tagalog language during the Spanish rule of the Philippines. So guys, napakaganda naman talaga ang kasaysayan ng ating barya guys. Maraming salamat guys manonood at God bless sa ating lahat.